Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: productivity hacks for students. Whether you're in school, college, or university, these tips will help you manage your time, stay focused, and reach your goals. Let's get started. First up, time management. This is key for staying on top of your studies and avoiding last-minute stress. Here are 3 hacks to master your time. 1. The Pomodoro Technique. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break. This method keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. 2. Prioritize tasks. Use a daily planner or app to write down tasks. Prioritize them using the Eisenhower matrix, urgent and important tasks first. 3. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking lowers your efficiency and increases mistakes. Second step, goal setting. Next, let's talk about goal setting. Having clear goals gives you direction and motivation. Here are my tips to set and achieve your goals. 1. Use SMART goals. Instead of saying, "I'll study harder," say, "I'll study math for 1 hour every day this week." 2. Break it down. Break big goals into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if your goal is to ace an exam, your steps might be reviewing chapters, doing practice tests, and revising notes. 3. Track your progress. Keep track of your progress. Celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Special bonus tips. Now for some bonus hacks to boost your productivity. Declutter your study space. A clean space helps you focus better. Keep only what you need on your desk. Avoid procrastination. If you don't feel like starting, tell yourself, "I'll do just 5 minutes." Often, you'll end up doing more. Take care of yourself. Stay hydrated, eat healthy, and take breaks to move your body. A healthy body fuels a productive mind. That's it for today. These productivity hacks have helped me, and I hope they'll help you too. Remember, it's not about working harder but working smarter. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video. Stay productive.